Hi, I'm Janae with Janae's Tropicals in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to grow a giant pumpkin. You'll need the following materials: giant pumpkin seeds, compost. You could use mushroom compost, my favorite, or chicken manure, just anything like rich in organics. Cottonseed meal, 2-10-10, blooming and fruit booster, a nice shovel or spade, and a shovel and rake. First of all, you need to pick a nice sunny location to plant your big giant pumpkin. You need at least 6 hours of sunlight. Giant pumpkins are really fast growers, so you need a nice rich ground for them. I've already prepared a 4x4 area, and I've worked in compost, a little cottonseed meal, and a little 2-10-10. And I filled it in, pack it in nice and tight, water it down. So dig a little hole about an inch down, take a big seed and put it in, cover it up, water it really well. The pumpkin seeds germinate very quickly. It should start popping up within 10 to 14 days. After your vine has grown to about 5 or 6 feet and begins to flower, pluck off all the little flowers and pick out one nice big flower. And hopefully that'll be where your giant pumpkin will grow. I'm Janae. You have a wonderful day.